I work with transformers, but not fancy cool robots that you probably know as transformers. Protein transformers that, as a matter of fact, are not cool at all. In fact, they are mass murderers, and they can kill the most precious thing we human beings have, our brain. Now, you're probably thinking, what is a protein transformer? Well, proteins naturally have a unique three-dimensional structure which gives rise to a unique specific function. For example, cargo transport, similar to this red car in the picture. Some proteins, due to several reasons, most of which are not well understood yet, switch to something new. Unfortunately, this new thing can be a dangerous monster that now creates a mess and makes a chaos. The outcome then? Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, different types of prion diseases. But why does this really matter? Well, in our developed societies, life expectancy is increasing and the population is aging. Elderly people have higher chances of getting one of these diseases. Currently, 10% of people aged 65 or more do have a neurodegenerative disease, and this number will be triplicated by 2050. This means around 50 people from this room will probably have a neurodegenerative disease. That is quite scary, isn't it? After all, what's the point of all those extra years when we can't really use our brain? As of now, there is no cure available for any of these diseases, and this is mainly due to two major problems we're dealing with. First, by the time symptoms show up and we find out about the problem, severe damage is already done to the brain, and it's too late. Second, the problem is caused by something that naturally exists in our bodies, so it's not really easy to target and get rid of. In my project, I work with prion disease and Alzheimer's disease animal models, and together with my colleagues, we are trying to find a solution for both of these problems I just mentioned. For the very first time, I'm quantifying damage to the brain cells at different time points before symptoms show up. And at the same time, we are tracking chemical changes in brain as well as body fluids, such as urine, to find relevant biomarkers that can be used for early diagnosis of the problem. I'm also studying naturally existing alternative routes that these proteins can go through, routes that can turn the protein to trash rather than transformer. This way, we can push the protein down these routes and avoid formation of more transformers. So while science and technology is trying to buy you extra years of life, I'm going to make sure it's of high quality and you enjoy it with a healthy brain. Thank you so much.